In 1942, Basler Electric started as a small repair shop. Today, it leads the power industry worldwide. In 2012, they expanded by acquiring an ISO-certified plastic molding company. This move ensured self-sustaining supplies and spurred growth. With a headquarters in Highland, Illinois, Basler Electric operates in over 140 countries. Their VP of Marketing, TJ Landrum, joined in 2020 to drive product growth and open new business avenues. He leads a team of 20, focusing on product strategy and marketing communications in a challenging marketplace. Understanding their complex products required innovative training solutions. TJ realized that he needed to host webinars that could reach a wide audience. Initially, he used Microsoft Teams for customer training. However, it didn't deliver the reach they needed. Teams required cloud services, which conflicted with Basler's internal server reliance. Recognizing this limitation, TJ searched for a better platform. After testing 10 options, he discovered Livestorm. This all-in-one engagement platform stood out for 4 main reasons. First, Livestorm operates entirely from a browser. This accessibility is crucial for their audience since many haven't updated their IT systems. Second, Livestorm offers scalability. Originally reaching hundreds of attendees, it easily accommodates up to 1,000 with minimal effort. Next, the platform provides a comprehensive marketing toolkit. Custom registration fields ensure they capture the right data. Most importantly, Livestorm delivers insightful analytics. This allows Basler to track attendance and enhance future campaigns. Within 5 months, Basler established a consistent webinar cadence. They now host 2 training sessions each month, saving 6 to 8 hours of prep time per event. Their global reach has vastly improved, allowing them to connect with audiences beyond North America. The engagement metrics were encouraging, too. They achieved a 40% live attendance rate and a 10 to 20% replay viewership. Surpassing their KPI was achievable using Livestorm, with plans to ramp up to 2,000 participants next year. Looking ahead, Basler aims to continue using Livestorm for its global seminars. It has proven to be a valuable tool in reaching new customers. To achieve similar results, create your free Livestorm account today. With Livestorm, managing events and reaching a global audience has never been easier. Are you ready to transform your webinars?